Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove music from TikTok video. Alright, so let's begin. If you want to remove music from a TikTok video, first, open your TikTok application and go to your profile section. From there, select the video from which you want to remove the music. Once the video opens, tap on the three dots icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you tap on Edit Video, you may be able to change the caption, cover, or some minor details, but you won't see an option to remove or replace the music. TikTok does not allow you to remove or change the music after a video has already been posted. Once the video is uploaded with a sound, the audio cannot be edited separately. So in order to remove music, tap on delete at the bottom of the screen and confirm it by pressing delete. Then re-upload the video. When re-uploading, you can either keep the original sound of the video or lower the added music volume to 0 before publishing. This is currently the only way to remove music from a TikTok video after it has been posted. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove music from TikTok video. So that's all for this video.